Mondi Release Liner is a leading supplier of silicone-coated and specialty release liners. We not only siliconize popular substrates such as glassine paper, clay-coated craft paper, or films, but also utilize proprietary methods to pre-coat various paper grades, thus enhancing their suitability for the siliconizing process. The following animation illustrates the process of siliconizing a craft paper to manufacture a release liner. The key processes are unwinding of the base material, pre-coating, drying, reverse side printing, siliconizing, drying, re-humidification, rewinding. Let's have a look at the details of this process. After unwinding, the paper reaches the pre-coating station, where a uniform pre-coat is applied to its functional side. The illustrated unit is a rotogravure coater working out of a tray that contains the coating liquid. The liquid held in the surface structure of the gravure roll is transferred to the paper by means of the rubber pressure roll above. The purpose of pre-coating is to seal the paper surface so well that subsequent siliconization may be done with a very low coat weight, such as 1 gram per square meter. If a paper like glassine doesn't need a pre-coat, the pre-coating unit can be dispensed with. After pre-coating, the paper is transferred without any contact against its freshly coated surface to the drying oven. Here, air flotation nozzles generating a current of hot air from above and below carry the web through the oven on a cushion of air. After exiting the pre-coat dryer, the web runs through a flexo printing station, where a single color logo can be applied to the paper's reverse side. A chamber doctor blade system to the right side of the bottom roll, the Analox gravure roll, applies printing ink to the flexographic rubber sleeve of the print roll, which transfers the image to the paper by means of a top pressure roll. The small amount of water from the printing ink is dried in a short infrared dryer. The paper web now passes through the clearance underneath the 5-roll silicone coater and is coated as it passes through the top nip from behind. The silicone coat is thus applied to the same side as the pre-coat. This 5-roll coater is capable of transferring a very small amount of silicone to the paper web, about 1 gram per square meter, which is equal to a coating of 1 micrometer. Starting with the 2 rolls at the bottom left, the liquid silicone is gradually applied from roll to roll in ever-decreasing amounts. The low coat weight is achieved by means of pressure between the rolls and the steadily increasing speed of each subsequent roll. Again, without any contact, the freshly siliconized paper web enters the silicone curing oven. The web passes through this air flotation dryer without contact while heat is transferred to the coated web. Alternating nozzles blow hot air from above and below, generating a stable sine wave in the web. After the oven, the hot web is cooled by 2 chill rolls before it enters a steam re-humidification chamber. Since the temperature of the web is lower than the temperature inside the steam chamber, water vapor condenses in the paper, which is where it is needed. By way of this re-moisturizing process, the paper web obtains the moisture content stipulated in the technical specification. The steam reheats the web so that it has to be cooled again by 2 chill rolls before it is rewound at the end of the machine. A carefully selected paper is thus transformed into a valuable release liner by a complex 4-step in-line production process, including reverse side logo printing, upper side pre-coating, siliconization on top of this pre-coat, and remoisturization. With some machines, Mondi produces release liners with up to 6 layers, using a similar multi-step in-line process. Mondi manufactures release liners for the tape, graphic arts, hygiene, medical, fiber composites, and other industries. Our comprehensive range of substrates, silicone systems, printing and finishing capabilities enables us to provide our customers with products that fulfill their specific requirements.